So welcome students. In this question you are given an equation in complex plane. That is mod of z minus 1 is equal to mod of z plus 1 is equal to mod of z minus I. So how many complex numbers satisfy this equation? That is, how many roots are there to this equation? So let us try to understand this geometrically. So we know that mod of z minus z1 is nothing but, physically, geometrically, is nothing but the distance between the complex number z and the complex number z. So the geometrical meaning of mod of z minus z1 is the distance between z and z1. Now if you read this equation, whatever is the equation given in English language, so what you get? So what does this mean? So mod of z minus 1 is nothing but distance between z and the complex number 1 in the organ plane. Mod of z plus 1 can be written as mod of z minus of minus 1. This is nothing but distance between z and minus 1, right? And mod of z minus I is nothing but distance between z and the complex number I on the organ plane. So now if you draw the organ plane, so you know where the complex number 1 is. It lies on the real number line, real line. And where is minus 1? So this is 1, this is the complex number minus 1. And you have a complex number I, right? Now I want my z to be having the same distance because the distances are equal. So because the distances are equal, that means my complex number z should be equidistant from this point, and this point. So my complex number z has to be equidistant from these 3 points. That means my complex number z has to be the circumcircle, the circumcenter of this triangle. So how many circumcenters will be there for a given triangle? So there will be only one circumcenter. So there will be only one point which is equidistant from all the 3 points. So answer is option B. Thank you.